Welcome to the Nespresso Vertuo Creatista, where rich coffee and barista-style milk creations come together at the touch of a button. In this guide, we'll show you how to get the most from your machine in just a few simple steps. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Nespresso Vertuo Creatista coffee machine, cup holder, milk jug, Nespresso capsule set, water tank, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. To use the Nespresso Vertuo Creatista coffee machine, fill the water tank with fresh water, turn the machine on, and pour cold milk into the milk jug. Position the jug under the steam wand, select your preferred milk temperature and texture, then start frothing. Insert a coffee capsule, close and lock the machine head, place a cup under the outlet, and press the coffee button twice for a milk-friendly extraction. Once brewing and frothing are complete, pour the textured milk into your coffee and enjoy your cafe-style drink. How to pair. To pair your Vertuo Creatista machine, first download and update the Nespresso app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your mobile device and keep it close to the machine. Open the app, tap the machine icon, and follow the setup instructions. Have your Wi-Fi password ready and make sure the machine is plugged in and switched on. The app will first establish a Bluetooth connection, then prompt you to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Once the connection is complete, your Vertuo Creatista is paired and ready to provide access to coffee updates, expert tips, and machine care alerts. How to clean. Keep your Nespresso Vertuo Creatista in top condition with regular cleaning. After each use, wipe the steam wand, wash the milk jug, and rinse the drip tray, cup support, capsule container, and water tank before drying and reassembling them. For steam wand maintenance, remove and clean the steam tip using the pin cleaning tool, then run the automatic steam cleaning cycle by holding the steam button for 3 seconds with the wand placed in a water-filled milk jug. To clean the coffee module, fill the water tank, eject any used capsule, place a 1-liter container under the coffee outlet, and press the coffee button 3 times within 2 seconds to start the cleaning cycle. Once complete, wash and dry all removable parts before reassembling the machine. Smart features? The automatic steam wand creates silky microfoam for cafe-style drinks such as lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites. It also allows you to customize milk temperature and texture to suit your personal taste. The Vertuo capsule system automatically reads each capsule's barcode to adjust brewing time, temperature, and water volume. This ensures every cup is extracted perfectly, delivering rich flavor and consistent coffee quality every time. With one-touch operation, the machine lets you brew coffee and prepare milk-based drinks effortlessly in seconds. It combines automatic brewing and frothing to deliver cafe-style beverages without manual effort. Supports a wide range of cup sizes, from single espresso shots to larger mugs. This flexibility allows you to enjoy different coffee styles according to your mood or preference. The machine features a sleek, premium stainless steel finish that adds a modern, professional look to any kitchen. Its durable build ensures long-lasting performance while maintaining an elegant, high-end appearance. Specifications. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Nespresso Vertuo Creatista coffee machine. See you at the next one.